Okay, welcome to day 4. It's Sunday here today in Sydney, Australia. So looking for day 4. Here we go. Here we go. Interesting. This one's a box. It's pretty well packed. It's pretty light. It's not a ring, I'm assuming. Oh, I can squeeze it a bit, so maybe it's like some sort of like a little plastic toy inside. It's not very light. Maybe it's like one of those mystery balls that tells you the right answer supposedly every time. So let's find out. Day 4. I want to keep that so I can stick it back on later. This is so interesting. Oh, nice black packaging. Maybe it is a ring. Maybe it is a ring. So look. Oh, wow, it's the Aqua Luna. Oh, it's the Aqua Luna. That's beautiful. Not sure if you guys know, but it's actually one of the last few things we did in Hong Kong as a family was actually ride the Aqua Luna from Central Piers all the way down to Stanley and back. It's probably one of the most beautiful and memorable days. Highly recommend it. You can book it through Klook, but what a beautiful day that was. Now, I wonder if there's a message here. No message today. No worries. Okay. Maybe one of the blokes who packed this one then. If I don't mind, I'm going to open this one because I love to see this beautiful little finger art micro world of paper. Oh, paper art. Is this made out of paper? Oh, so look. Oh, you've got to do it yourself. Oh, there's the instructions. Oh my. Okay, there's a display cabinet. Oh, wow. Oh, this is very, very, very appropriate. I might actually do that today. That is fantastic. All right. Well, day 4. Still keeping up the standards. Thank you so much, everyone. Bye for now.